how to download and install Discord. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Discord app on your device. Without further ado, let's learn how to download it. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search bar, search for Discord. Select the first search result for Discord. Tap on the install button. The Discord app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed. Please be patient. Once the installation is completed, you can now use the Discord app on your device. Simply tap on Open, give all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you have one or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to use the Discord app. And boom, you have successfully learned how to download and install Discord on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.